Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to show you how the future of recruiting can look like. When you already follow our channel, you already saw our virtual 3D offices, which are built to shorten sales cycles, but today I will also show you how they can get used to boost your recruiting processes in detail. So in the background you can see some examples how this virtual 3D space could look like. Of course, those spaces can get fully customized to your requirements, so we can recreate your office space, for example, and this will directly show the visitors later their potential new working space, and they also can learn where the different rooms are located, which teams you have, and what you are doing in general. But let's talk more about the process and how this can help you not only to get more applications but also to easily filter out the gold nuggets under the applications. First, of course, we need to bring people in your virtual 3D office. Most companies already have a source of leads they already built up with ads and funnels and all that stuff. But they don't use them in the most efficient way because their websites don't stand out from the crowd of other companies. Because those virtual 3D offices are an eye catcher, they support you to stand out and stay in the memory of your visitors much longer. I also always say there's no lack of skilled workers, they are just working at other companies. So with this, I want to say that you of course should offer special things to your employees, but then also of course you need to highlight them and communicate those in the right way. And of course people will not directly go to you as an HR manager to learn more about your company and all that stuff, because they maybe are worried to get trouble with their bosses and all that stuff when they see that you are connected with other HR managers of other companies on LinkedIn and all this trouble. So you need to offer them a way to talk, for example, with an AI character inside of the virtual 3D offices to learn more about your company and the benefits you offer. And of course, once we got the first people in the office, let's talk about what visitors can do there and why it's so effective. In your virtual 3D space, people will get welcomed by AI characters which represent the team leader or key people out of your company. They will give the visitor a tour through the space and can explain the different rooms and teams so people can get a better overview about your company and what are you doing exactly. Of course, this, visitors also will already meet the new team members and can talk with them to learn more about your company and also to learn more about the company culture and benefits you are offering. And this will build up so much trust and can also make the decisions of skilled workers easier to switch to your company. Because a common issue here is that people often stay in a job even when they don't like it, just because they are scared that in the other companies it will get even worse. And with these spaces you can show them that you are the right fit for them. Now, since this will also boost your applications, you will get a new issue. You only want to hire the top candidates, but sorting them out manually will be a lot of work. So here we will also use the gamification aspect, which we already used before, to boost the watch time of your website with the 3D office, because in the space you can also run mini games which will represent the tasks the employees you're looking for later will face every day. Because like this they can already see which work is waiting for them, and you can make sure that they are skilled in these specific areas, and more importantly you can also make sure that this work is also what the employee is expecting and also want to do every day. Once they finish the mini games successfully, they can also fill out their contact informations to apply directly for the job. And you can see their score they have collected over the mini games and the course through your office. The higher the score is, the better they were in the mini games and the more time they spend in your office to learn more about your company. But this is not all, because now you also need to contact your applicants and maybe also want to talk with them. Of course, you can invite them in your physical space, but if you should quickly notice that they don't fit, then you can't kick them out so fast. So in most cases it makes sense to just schedule a meeting with them. Normal meetings are boring and also don't give the applicants no great overview about your office and the job in general. So we also brought in multiplayer and voice and video chat features in our virtual offices, which means that you can also call them directly in the virtual 3D office, so you can see your applicant and interview them directly, but you also can give them a little tour through the space and explain them things in more details. After you found the gold nuggets under the applicants easily, you can also hire them, of course, but normally here the work will not end, since they also need to get onboarded. More mini games can get added here in the office later to show your team the daily tasks. This is especially interesting if they work with expensive machines, for example. They could easily damage if they make mistakes or similar things. So yeah, also the onboarding here can get automated with the virtual 3D offices or video courses. And all this will help you to boost your recruitment processes. But every office of course will be different, and every agency or company also have different requirements. So that's why we usually make a first demo call with our clients where we can show the features and customization options of our framework in general. During this quick meeting, we will also evaluate exactly where the office could get used in your business and which benefits you will get through this office in the long run. And if we see a potential there to work together with you, you can then also book a free strategy session with us where we will work out a detailed plan and strategy to build out this space in the best possible way. And if you now also want to get a demo, feel free to contact us per mail or directly book a meeting over my Calendly link you can find in the description here of this video. Really, what are you waiting for? You don't have anything to lose, but much to win. I'm already looking forward to also show you our solutions we have built over the past months. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.